Introducing the Auto Reply feature, the time-saving tool that uses GPT to suggest a reply for your emails. With this feature, you can save time and streamline your email communication. Whether you're using Gmail, Intercom, or Outlook, our Auto Reply feature makes it easy for you to get back to your customers quickly and efficiently. Our Auto Reply feature will suggest a message based on your connected knowledge sources. As you can see, it leverages our connected company's knowledge base to generate the answer to the question. In addition, you can prompt the reply to a specific direction by simply typing your short answer, and our Auto Reply feature will complete the entire message for you. As you can see, it replied to the question and took into account your initial response. In Outlook, click the Auto Suggest a Reply button on the side panel. Do not forget to pin the side panel so it will be always open for you. Start using the Auto Reply feature today.